Hi there guys and girls. As you can see, I have here a juice and potato chips. Gonna give this to my client. Thank you for being a good payer. That's my reward for you, huh? Because you finish your contract with me and you renew again. Don't show the brand. Oh my gosh, there's another kiss. Thank you, ah. Or there's a straw here, don't worry. And here's your order.
My God!
Thank you for patronizing my products. Look, get this one. Ano ka ba?
Lahat yan!
Yes. Don't show the brand. Okay, so shout out. Shout out, Kyla. Make some shout out to your loved one.
Sa jowa.
Loved one.
Kala mo, ang sarap mo!